Stronger than expected wind gusts cause havoc in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Employees of an office building are stunned to find two window washers stuck on the 7th floor of a high-rise across the street. Inside the scaffold are window washers Luciano Santos and Wando Barros. In a plea for help, Luciano waves his hand in front of a window. Before anyone can react, a 50-mile-per-hour gust rams the men into the side of the building. Shards of glass rain onto the street. The scaffold swings 40 feet away from the building as both men brace for another violent collision. They crash back into the building in a spray of soapy water. The force of the second impact almost knocks one of the men out of the scaffold. Another sharp gust sends him into the same treacherous corner. Luciano reaches out in a desperate attempt to stabilize the platform, but his efforts are futile. For more than 3 minutes, the two men are at the mercy of the wind. Finally, a woman inside the building flings her jacket out of a window for the men to grab. Workers unscrew the window and pull the window washers to safety. Only suffering minor cuts and bruises, both men are happy to thank their hero. Luciano still washes high-rise windows, but now he checks the weather report every morning.